We're still waiting for the relay that was back ordered from Moss Motors, and I did get one in England, but it won't be here until sometime the 1st of July. But we did have it running, we did have it not running, actually running. We did have it turning over very nicely. Everything seems to be fine. The wiring seems to be good. So what I'm working on today, I'm going to finish the rear brakes. The rear brakes are in really good shape. I took them all off, and they were just frozen because they hadn't been used, and didn't take too much to loosen them up. So I'm going to put the brakes and the rear back together. I got a new stainless steel line I'm going to put on the rear brake where the brake fluid goes to. I should get my fluid today for the brakes, the clutch, and for the transmission to top all those up. We did run out of fuel. We think because the car is at an angle, the fuel pump was pumping, but it was pumping air. We don't think I have enough fuel in there. So I got some more fuel that I put in today. So I'm gonna fill it up with fuel. We're gonna put the brakes back on it, and hopefully this weekend I'll be able to top up the brakes, the clutch, and the transmission, sort of button all that up together. I also started putting some more soundproofing the interior. I'm going to do just the inside where the seats are. I had to order I found a new back seat for my driver's side, and that's coming from Texas. I couldn't use the ones that were so rusted and so frozen. I wanted to be able to work as it's designed. So I've got one coming, and he's going to find me another one, and he'll send it to me. But I did do the bottoms of each seat. This car also had sensors, I believe, in the seats, and I'm just going to disconnect those. We don't need to have sensors in an MGB. And so I'm going to be doing that today, and I'll get back with you in just a little bit. And I really appreciate you coming along with me, and share, like, and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. It really helps me out. Thank you. See you soon. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Buddy here at Bert's Garage. I want to give you a little update. I've been trying to do a video, and a lot of the stuff I shot, especially when Everett came by to help me get the car started, for some reason it didn't upload properly. So I'm going to give you a little walk around and tell you what I've been up to, and what you can expect in the future. So bear with me. I want to spin this thing around, and let's talk over a couple things. I've got everything I ordered the carpet. I was going to make my own carpet, but I decided not to. So I ordered that from England. I don't know when it's going to be here, along with my relay. So it might be a while. I've got bolts to put everything together. I've been working on my console, and I've had to order a few pieces for this. I want to get a new boot, and some of the pieces are pretty worn. I'm not sure if I could save this or not. I'm going to try to save it. So you know me, I'm going to try to save it if I can. So I've got all the pieces for my flooring. I have I found 2 new rails, and I found one upper section for my driver's seat. I've already done the lower, and I didn't want to. I'll show you the old one. Bear with me. These are just too far gone. The mechanisms work halfway, and I am not going to spend all the time putting new covers on these and having new seats if they don't work properly. So I've got one, should be in the first of the week for the driver's side. At least I can get that one seat in. And the passenger side, the guy I bought it from is going to find me a passenger one so I can get that one in. As it stands now, I've got both bottoms completely done. I'll show you what they look like. Looks fantastic. But like I said, I've got one short video of the engine turning over. So we got the engine to turn over. We're missing the relay, of course, right here. So I got one of those ordered. And once we get that, we got the fuel pump working. It's clicking and everything. I don't think we had enough fuel in it. So I've got a bunch more fuel in it. So we should be able to get it started this week. Also, the brakes are completely redone, and only thing I need to do is to bleed them, get all the air out of the system. Since this is all brand new, this is where the fluid goes in. You can see it's all the way down, and I ran out of time. Also, the heat was just too hot in here yesterday, and I'm going to get out of here in a few minutes. But we blocked off a bunch of the emission stuff, which my friend who's British English mechanic, and said you need to get rid of that stuff. It's just it doesn't really make any sense to have this on a car like this. So that's where we stand. Anything else I can show you? That's pretty much. I'm going to show you a little picture of the seats, the bottom seats, when we get back over to it. But thanks for following, sharing, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. And I'm sorry it's been sort of sporadic, but I've been out of town, and I don't know why the camera didn't work, but I'm sure it's operator error. But we'll work on it. We'll get it straight. And thanks. All right, what you're looking at? These are the headrest. I redid the headrest, turned out pretty nice. If you can see them clearly. And these are the seat bottoms. So I did both sides, all new clips, all new reinforced in the bottom, and so we're just waiting for the backs, waiting for the one I've got ordered for the driver's side, and then we'll take care of this. When we get the passenger side, we will put it all together. And in the meantime, I've been cleaning the rails, getting the rails nice and clean, and I'm going to paint them where they're touching on the bottom, and going to be well lubed so they will slide on the track real easy. So continually to work on that. So that's where we stand. That's a little update. I hope this gives you an idea that I haven't been standing around doing nothing. But headrests are okay. I put all new stuffing in the head section, and we'll go from there. And that's my turbo, 911 Porsche turbo, and our garage. And I also have been working on my RV, put a new coating on the roof, since we'll be taking a trip soon. Let me show you that. So I took everything off the roof, and we repainted all that, resealed it, and hopefully the sun will do a real good job and get it to blend really well, harden up. And these are the scoops that go on the roof. I got 3 vents that open up, and these are the vents to get them dry and cleaned up. So that's what's been going on. I haven't been standing around, but everything's looking good. Thanks.